Okay, welcome back to another video. Today we've got this customer seat at Ibiza FR in for a Resonator delete. Now the customer wasn't sure on how much sound he wanted, so we've recommended a Resonator delete, and in the future if he's not happy with how it sounds, we can always do a back box delete. Okay, so I'm going to be doing some of the cutting of the pipe, taking the res out, ready for Todd to put the nice stainless piece in its place. I'm just taking the exhaust rubbers off to allow the exhaust to fall down. I'm just undoing these clamps to separate the centre section from the cap. Oh my god. Getting bullied. Ten hours later.
Whatever you do to operate the pencil.
Well,
in fact, we might carve our names onto it here.
Right, I've measured the pipe. It's 570 mil long, is what we require. So I'm going to chop that down now, and it's ready to weld on the car. Happy days. Right, drag the welder over, Harry. Right, I've welded this section of res delete in place now. I mean, it is a little bit easier to weld it on the bench. You know, you get a nicer, cleaner weld and a better weld on the bench, but because this type of exhaust, there is no joins, sections or anything like that you can disconnect the back box from, so we have to weld this in place. But now it's completely deleted that res. I'm going to connect it back up, see what it sounds like.
Okay, so the Resonator delete is now finished. I'm just about to put the under tray back on and the bracket that went on here.
Right, we've now completed the Resonator delete on this car. Now the customer came in originally, he wanted to go for the Resonator delete first, see if that gave him better sound. Now that we've done it, it's giving him a little bit more sound, not a huge amount. I mean, it might sound differently down the road, but if I was doing it, I'd probably start with the back box delete, try that first. That usually gives more sound. Now the customer's gonna listen to this, he's gonna see what he thinks, and then maybe come back for a back box delete.
Putting it in its place whilst he's welding it up and making sure it... Oh. Okay, go again. Will Tom speak today? Oh. Get that on there. Okay, so I'm just taking the... Okay, so I'm just taking the... Fucking hell. Just taking this clamp off to separate the front exhaust. Wait, what's that called in the front bit?
Are we rolling?
We're rolling.
Rolling.
Put that in the blooper.
That's it, that's going in. We're rolling.